Hey guys, welcome back to the iMobie channel. If you forget the password on your iPhone and input the wrong password for several times, you'll see the iPhone unavailable message on the screen. When the wrong password is entered too many times, the iPhone will temporarily lock the phone to avoid unauthorized operation or incorrect operation. It should be noted that the more times you input the wrong password, the longer your iPhone will be locked, and when you enter the wrong password more than 12 times in a row, your iPhone will be permanently locked. In order to avoid this happening, we can unlock the iPhone through the following two methods. Method 1. Erase your unavailable iPhone. This method is from Apple's official, which unlocks the iPhone by erasing data, but requires the following three prerequisites. First, confirm Find My is on. Second, your iPhone is connected to the internet. Third, you remember the Apple ID and password. When the iPhone displays unavailable, the lower right corner will prompt Forgot Password, which can remove the password by formatting the iPhone. For iOS 15.2 to 16, you need to enter the wrong password many times before it displays. For iOS 17 and above, input the wrong password for 5 times, you will be prompted. Click the Start iPhone Reset and enter the Apple ID on the next screen. Tap on the Erase iPhone. Now your iPhone will begin to reset, just wait patiently. Once the formatting is complete, follow the lead to set up your iPhone. After everything is completed, you can use your iPhone freely. Method 2. Unlock your iPhone with AnyUnlock. If you find the previous method is too time-consuming, then check this one. AnyUnlock is an unlocking tool that can easily solve the problem of unavailable iPhones with just a few clicks. First, connect the iPhone to the computer with USB cable. Launch AnyUnlock on your computer, choose Unlock Screen Passcode from the homepage and click Start Now. Choose Download button to add a matching firmware on your computer. Once the downloading finished, click Unlock Now. Now you just have to wait for the process. It didn't take long for you to see this page, it means the unlock has been done. Now go check your iPhone. See, it has been successfully unlocked. Isn't it convenient? That's all for today's video. Has it solved the problem of your iPhone being unavailable? If this video is helpful to you, please give us a like and subscribe. We will provide more tips on managing your phone. Thanks for watching, see you next time.